Okay guys, here's my new to me 2006 Volvo V70 R station wagon with a 6-speed manual. I just purchased it and this thing's dirty and it needs its first bath. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm Cooper with Phantom Detailing and we're gonna do a video on how to properly clean a car. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing with this is we're gonna be doing a decon wash. A decon wash is a multi-step wash that basically removes any film or unnecessary spray wax and stuff that could possibly be on this vehicle. And basically this is the best thing that you can do for a vehicle and getting it ready for come springtime, a car show, anything. This is really your best option for a wash. The next step I like to do is the engine bay, and the reason for doing the engine bay now is when you pressure wash the engine bay, you're going to spray all this dirt and grime and leaves and sticks all over the body, so there's no point of spraying down the body and cleaning the body when you're just going to spray all this stuff all over the car. And then I like to take our wheel / tire brush and just work all of that degreaser in. Next step is to do wheels and tires. I like doing one side at a time, it just makes it more simple. And always make sure to get in the wheel wells in and out. This is our iron buster. What this does, this removes any wax or sealants or grime built up from the road or any film and whatnot. This is gonna take all that off the paint. So this is really the best, this is the best part of the cleaning process for the car. Okay, so now that we've rinsed off the iron remover, we're going to follow up with a half dry. What a half dry does is we just want to get the majority of the water off, but we still want to leave some water behind, so when we come back with the wax or sealant, it applies a lot better and much more easier, you could say. Alright, now to finish up the process, we're gonna seal up the car. This will help with sun, water. The water should just bead right off. It's very similar to, kind of gives it a ceramic type feel to it, but not quite. But you don't need much, just 1 or 2 sprays in each panel. You should be good to go.